Hey everybody, Tim Conneally here, taking a look at the Plantronics Savor M1100 Bluetooth headset. Here is what you're going to sound like on the Savor M1100 Bluetooth headset under quiet, normal conditions.
Here's how it sounds with lots of background noise.
And for my final test, recording outdoors, street side, walking down the sidewalk in Baltimore. I apologize for not having video for this. I couldn't figure out an effective way to do these two things simultaneously. Hopefully this illustrates how a real-world call is going to sound. This is my final test. Please continue with the article. Thank you.